Welcome back to the channel. One of my students presented this question on matrix multiplication. It's a GCSE exam question, and I feel it's good I share it with my audience. Let's get into class. Let's write our matrices. That matrix A is multiplying matrix B. That's the same thing as I have it as 4 minus 1 minus 7 and 2 is multiplying matrix B as S minus 5, which is the same thing as C, matrix C as minus 1 and C. Now, to multiply matrices, I'll be picking the first row. I'll be multiplying this column. Obviously, matrix B has just one column. In case you miss our lessons on matrices, matrix multiplication, please do not hesitate to check the description below. I'll place a link in the description and also use it as an end screen. To ensure you get our lessons anytime we create them, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, you'll be telling YouTube you love what we're doing. Now, see this. Matrix A times matrix B itself, let's expand it first. Be the same thing as I'll do 4 times S plus minus 1 now times minus 5. This is the same thing as matrix C, which is minus 1 and T. Let's just carry it that way. Then here at the lower part, I'll do minus 7 times S again plus minus 2 plus 2 is positive 2 now times minus 5. So that A times B will now be the same thing as 4S. 4 times S will be 4S plus minus 1 times minus 5, that's plus 5. And minus 7 times S will be the same thing as minus 7S minus 7. Minus 10, sorry. 2 times 5 is 10. That's minus 10 is equals to minus 1 and T. Now I can pick two different equations from here. The first equation is the first row, that's 4S plus 5 is equals to minus 1. The second equation is the second row that says 7S minus 10 is equals to T. Let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. Now from equation 1, let me just divide my screen in case I need. From equation 1, we can say that 4S plus 5 is equals to minus 1. So that 4S is the same thing as minus 1 minus 5. 4S is the same thing as minus 1 minus 5, that's minus 6. Let's divide both sides by 4 to get our S. Now this implies that S will be the same thing as minus 6 over 4, which is equals to minus 3 over 2. Now if S is equals to minus 3 over 2, let's now use from equation 2. I can also deduce that 7S minus 10 is equals to T. So in place of S, I'm going to substituting for S. So that 7S in place of 10, I have 7 into minus S is minus 3 over 2 minus 10. This is minus, sorry, I think I've missed something. Out. This is minus 7S, yes. This is minus 7S. This is minus 7S. So that I should have minus 7S here. This will be minus 7S. Minus 10 is equals to 3. So that minus 7 now times minus 3 over 2 will be positive 21 over 2 minus 10 is equals to t. Now, 21 over 2, that's 11 and a half. That's 10 and a half. 21 over 2, that's 10.5. That's 10 and a half. Minus 10 is equals to t. Obviously, t now will be the same thing as 0.5. It will be 0.5. With this, I mean t, sorry, the way I wrote it, is equals to 0.5. This help you understand how to do multiplication in matrices. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next lesson.